Hi everyone, welcome to this unboxing. Today I am opening a new vacuum cleaner. I've decided to move the other one on and try out something different. For no specific reason, I just want to try some other brands and other models. So today I've decided to go with the LG CordZero. This is the essential version. I believe there's a few different types. But this is the base model that just comes with the minimal amount of attachments. I believe as you go up in the models, they have more attachments and things that come with them. I'll leave a link to the site and to the product so that you can have a look for yourself. But let's have a look what's inside. I might just do it on the floor here, probably the easiest. That's the box, as you probably saw, by the way, not much on there. So yeah, let's just look inside. So I will have a look at the manual and put it all together, and then I'll show you how it works. So see you soon. Alright, so here is the list of things that comes with it in the booklet. These are some of the extra accessories that you can get. And here is the real picture on the ground of what actually comes with it, which is of course the same. Alright, so I've had a chance to have a look at the manual a little bit and try and put it together. So I've put it together and pulled it apart just to show you again how it actually goes together. So I believe this pole goes into here. However, now that I've done that, I can't actually take it out. So I'm not sure if I've done that 100% correctly, but it looks like that does go in there somehow. Now on top of this goes this charging station, from what I understand, and it just clips in. Once again, it's got a little clip there, so once I get that on here, line it up, goes down, and then these little crevice tools live down here, and then the vacuum sits on top and charges. However, I'll just show you how the vacuum goes together. So you put the rod into here, and then I might move over this way actually a little bit, and then the header thing, or whatever they call this pickup tool, goes into there. They just all click in, and they can click out with that button as well. So I don't know if you can see that. And this rod extends. It's got 4 different levels. So you've got this level, and then I'll just hold it there. There's a little button that you click here, if you pull up, sorry, and that gives you a next level, one more, and I think one more, so about to here. And obviously you just operate it like that, and you can push it down, so if a small person, or if you need to go under furniture or whatever, you can put that down. Okay, I'll just take that off so I can show you the this part of the machine a little bit closer. So the battery goes down here, and it just clicks in this way, and to take it out you just, sorry I'm not operating this very well, but to take it out you just grab it like that, click the buttons, and it comes out. And it's got 2 batteries. I believe the manual said on normal setting this will run for 40 minutes and on the turbo for 15. And I also, from what I can understand, you can charge this battery while this one is in use, so that's pretty handy. And I've left the battery out, but you know how it goes in now. The little bin, it just unclips here, and you can empty it, and you can clean this further, as far as I understand, by using this. And there's a strange thing, but this sort of catches into the little grooves there, and you can turn that, and then you can take it off and clean it. There's some cleaning instructions, etc. in the manual. So I'm not sure how you're supposed to do that back up, but it just rotates in there and it's stuck back in. Close that for the bin. Up the top there's the filter compartment, so you can open that just by unscrewing it. Opens up, and I believe that's cleanable in there. And also it comes with this, and it looks like it comes with 2 of those, as you probably saw. So I'll put that back in there. I think these are washable, etc. And we'll close this up. So I just put that battery in there so we can have a look at the vacuum while it's on. I'll pop that in there. And just before I turn it on, I'll just also show you down here is where the charging cable runs on this station. I forgot to show you that. So it just plugs into the back there, and then there's little sort of notches that you can run this down to the floor. And all those screws that came with it, they are for mounting it. So I think even as a standing tool, you're supposed to attach it to here, I think. I'm not sure exactly, and I think that sort of rests against the wall so that it doesn't fall. Or you can have it off this completely and just mount this bit to it without the parts there. From what I understood from the instructions, I mean, I'm quite new to the vacuum cleaner, and all the screws and bits and pieces seem to come with that. So now let's just turn it on, and I'll show you how loud it is. So just pressing the button there, so it doesn't have, it's not like a Dyson where you've got to hold the trigger. There's no trigger there, that's just a little bit of plastic, but the buttons are there, and you just press them on and then they stay on. So if I press it on, that's just normal, and then turbo would be like that. That's up pretty well. And then back to normal. So that's picking up everything. That's pretty good. So yeah, that's the vacuum cleaner. If you've got any questions, just ask me in the comments. Obviously it's new to me, so I don't know all the ins and outs, but it looks pretty good. It's pretty nice in the hand, quite light, and I like that it's adjustable so that you can have it quite high and quite low. And also, though, I forgot to mention those Crevice Tools, or whatever they're called, they can go either on here or straight onto the wand as well. So what I'm trying to say is they can either go straight onto here, so you're nice and low. Let's just try one. So you're like that, doing your upholstery or whatever you need to do, or you can put it onto the end of this wand as well, so that you can have a longer one if you need to go to a curtain or whatever you're doing, you know. So yeah, that's that. I think I've covered most of the stuff. So yeah, ask me questions in the comments if you have any. I'll leave the links in the description, and yeah, hopefully it was helpful. If it was, just give a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from me. See you soon, bye. One more thing, I just had a look at this dust collecting canister thingy. I'm supposed to take the battery out before you open it, so I'll just do that. But it has collected quite a bit of dust. Have a look. I don't know if you can see that, but that's just from that, literally from when we turned it on. That was the first time I've used it. So that was a tiny bit of carpet that I went over. That's quite an eye-opener how dirty that was, and that has actually been vacuumed maybe like 4 or so days ago. So 4 or 5, let's say, yeah. So that's quite powerful for what it was, and it's not very noisy either. So yeah, interesting. I'm quite happy to see that. Dirt in there is good. Anyway, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.